ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः सांख्ययोगः। नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते। स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्। व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः एकेह कुरु नन्दन। बहुशाखा ह्यनन्ताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम्। यामिमां पुष्पितां वाचं प्रवदन्त्यविपश्चितः। वेदवादरताः पार्थ नान्यदस्तीति वादिनः। यामिमां पुष्पितां वाचं प्रवदन्त्यविपश्चितः। वेदवादरताः पार्थ नान्यदस्तीति वादिनः। Yam, which, imam, this, pushpitam, flowery, vacham, words, pravadanti, speak, avipaschitah, those with limited understanding, veda vada rataha, taking pleasure in statements of the Vedas, Partha, Arjuna, son of Pritha, na, not, anyat, anything else, asti, exist, iti, this, vadinaha, declare. कामात्मानस्वर्गपरा जन्मकर्मफलप्रदाम् क्रियाविशेषबहुलाम् भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति कामात्मानस्वर्गपरा जन्मकर्मफलप्रदाम् क्रियाविशेषबहुलाम् भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति कामात्मानः, desirous of sensual enjoyment, Swargaparaha, with heaven as their highest goal, Janma karma phala, birth as a result of their actions. Pradam, leading to. Kriya Vishesha, pompous ritualistic ceremonies. Bahulam, various. Bhoga, sensual pleasure. Aishwarya, luxury. Gatim, attainment. Prati, towards. भोगैश्वर्यप्रसक्तानाम् तयापहृतचेतसाम् व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः समाधौ न विधीयते। भोगैश्वर्यप्रसक्तानाम् तयापहृतचेतसाम् व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः समाधौ न विधीयते। Bhoga, worldly pleasure. Aishwarya, power. Prasaktanam, whose minds are deeply attached. Taya, by such things. Apahrita chetasam, with their intellect stolen away. Vyavasaya atmika, resolute. Buddhihi, intellect. Samadhau, fulfillment. Na, never. Vidhiyate, does take place. Without viveka, most men pursue the path of desire fulfillment and sensual pleasures. Some take a narrow view of the Vedas, relating them only to the performance of rituals and oblations. This path does not lead them to God, as it limits their worship to seeking only wealth, comforts, and an afterlife in heaven. O Arjuna, those with limited understanding take pleasure only in some flowery statements of the Vedas. These speak of various ritualistic ceremonies that lead to sense pleasures, heaven, luxury, and high birth as a result of their actions. Being desirous of sensual enjoyment and power and taking heaven as their highest goal, they declare that nothing more than this exists. The ones whose minds are deeply attached to worldly pleasures and power have their intellect stolen away by such things. The development of a resolute intellect for fulfillment on the path to the self never occurs to them. Yami mam pushpitam vacham pravadantya vipaschitaha vedavadaratav partha nanyadastiti vadinaha. Yami mam pushpitam vacham pravadantya vipaschitaha vedavadaratav partha nanyadastiti vadinaha. कामात्मानस्वर्गपरा जन्मकर्मफलप्रदां क्रियाविशेषबहुलां भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति कामात्मानस्वर्गपरा जन्मकर्मफलप्रदां क्रियाविशेषबहुलां भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति भोगैश्वर्यप्रसक्तानां तयापहृतचेतसां व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः समाधौ न विधीयते। भोगैश्वर्यप्रसक्तानां तयापहृतचेतसां व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः समाधौ न विधीयते।